okay like that?
Yeah. Is like front on as well, so when you like hold it up, it'll like align quite nicely. Yeah.
Yep, camera ready.
Turn over.
Sounds smooth.
Shot 2, take 1. Mark. Oh, we're pop it back up. Yep, mark it. Frame.
Action.
Hot.
I think a focus pull shows the same thing.
Will it be clear enough though? Because they're not that far apart. So is it gonna be like obvious enough?
Yep, camera ready.
Turn over.
Sounds smooth.
Shot 12, take 1.
Mark. Good sight. Action.
Hey guys, how are we? How are we feeling so far?
Fantastic.
Pretty great.
Ready for a shoot?
Yeah.
All right. Turn over.
What did we see?
Abrupt look up, as if something like a really dramatic look up.
Oh, I think I've heard about that.
Do you want me to look straight up?
Yeah.
Not to the
How does it
side.
work?
I reckon.
You're
I reckon actually like that way.
And control it.
So-
Like your camera is inside a car.
Yeah.
Control
Yeah, like that.
This is gonna be interesting. That's for sure.
We might have to shoot it.
Don't edit that in.
I think you need to switch lenses.
Shut up. Go home.
Now.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Who's the director? I'm a gaffer. Look at that handiwork.
Okay, fold this up then.
Okay.
I've done the. Nah.
One more try.
That's like an okay attempt though.
Oh gosh.
And then you do a little bit of shimmy to get it all lined up properly.
I want more of a shimmy.
Look at that.
Oh, okay. He's independent.
And all good DPs are solo artists and don't like their team. No, I'm kidding.
True.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Why would you tell them the secret? Who is that?
Who is that?
I'm the councilman. You guys work.
So we found two gentlemen in the trees. You guys getting paid for this behavior?
That's a wrap!
That's a wrap!
That better not be over the SSD, I swear.
Elina made
the
a
one
movie.
shot.
Hey.